Chapter 05 Kural 08. Welcome back to our illuminating journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. Chapter 5 explores the profound wisdom encapsulated in Kural 8. If one lives by the right virtues and assists others to do the same, such a family life is better than the penance of saints. Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we continue our exploration of Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, where Thirukkural reveals the remarkable significance of leading a virtuous family life. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural and understand the essence of righteousness and the power of influencing others positively. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural reminds us of the extraordinary impact of living by righteous virtues and extending that influence to others. Thirukkural asserts that a family life dedicated to living by the right virtues and inspiring others to do the same surpasses even the penance of saints. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and explore the significance of cultivating a virtuous family life as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkulal's wisdom teaches us that living by the right virtues goes beyond personal fulfillment. When we embrace virtuous principles in our family life and extend that influence to others, we create a powerful ripple effect that transforms our lives and those around us. Thirukkulal's teachings guide us to recognize the immense value of living a virtuous life and assisting others to do the same. Leading by example and inspiring our family members and others with righteousness creates a harmonious and uplifting environment that fosters personal growth and collective well-being. Thirukkural Chapter 5, Kural 8, reminds us that a family life dedicated to righteousness and the positive influence on others is more impactful than the austere penance of saints. When we actively practice virtuous actions and encourage others to follow suit, we contribute to a world filled with compassion, love, and harmony. Thirukkulal's wisdom encourages us to strive for a virtuous family life where our actions align with righteousness, and we inspire others to do the same. In doing so, we create a legacy of goodness that transcends the boundaries of our immediate family and has a lasting impact on society. As we reflect on Chapter 5, Kural 8, we are reminded of the profound significance of living by righteous virtues and uplifting others. Thirukkural guides us to cultivate a family life where our actions exemplify righteousness, surpassing even the penance of saints and creating a positive influence that radiates far and wide. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to lead a virtuous family life and become agents of positive change, transforming our own lives and the lives of those around us. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your actions reflect righteousness, bringing blessings to yourself and uplifting the world.